Then the second, that is RRC, rotate accumulator right. Now the third one, that is RAL, which stands for rotate accumulator left along with the carry. So you have to learn the full form first, and if all the four you get confused, you will make mistakes in all the other three instructions. If you make one mistake, all the other three instructions also will get affected. So RLC, rotate accumulator left, RRC, rotate accumulator right, and next one is RAL, which is rotate accumulator left through carry. Okay, so the format here I have written is A7 to carry, carry to A0, AN to N plus 1. Okay, so addressing mode is same, implied group is logical group, bytes is 1 byte, and flags that affected is only carry. So how will you write the explanation? As the content of the accumulator is rotated to the left by 1 bit position along with the carry flag. Through the carry flag it will get rotated. In the previous two instructions it was not rotating along with the carry. You only used to put the A7 or A0 bit to carry flag, but here you will, along with the carry, you will rotate the bits. So the carry flag is stored in the bits A0 of accumulator, and bit A7 of the accumulator is stored in carry flag. See, now let us see the diagram that I have shown. What happens here is, first the carry flag will be shifted to the left hand side, that is A0, then A0 to A1, A1 to A2, A2 to A3, like that, A6 to A7, and A7 bit will be shifted to carry. Okay, so before starting with any of this, you will first store the carry to A0, and like that you will keep on shifting to left hand side by 1 bit position. Okay, so the example that I have taken here is A is equal to 81H, carry is 0. The instruction is RAL. Before execution you will write the content that you have assumed. Before execution is 0. Then 81 you will write in binary in the box. After execution you will keep on rotating to the left hand side, that is carry to A0. So the carry which was 0 got shifted to A0 now. Okay, then A0 got shifted to A1. That way you will start. First you will shift the carry 0 to A0, then keep on shifting the A0 bit to A1, A1 to A2, and the last A7 bit which was 1 in the before execution, which got shifted to carry, which got 1 now. So hence after execution what I got, the answer is A is equal to 0 to H and carry as 1. So this was my RAL, rotate accumulator left through carry flag. Okay, the next instruction today we will be seeing is rotate accumulator right through the carry. Previous instruction we used to rotate the accumulator left through the carry. Now we'll be rotating right the accumulator content along with the carry flag. So the format will be the opposite of the left instruction. So A0 bit will be shifted to CY, CY to A7, and AN plus 1 to AN. Addressing mode will be implied addressing mode, group will be logical group, bytes is 1 byte, and flag only carry flag will be affected. The explanation you will write as, the content of the accumulator is rotated to the right by 1 bit position through the carry flag. The carry flag is stored in bit A7 and bit A0 is stored in the carry flag. So see here in the diagram that I have shown, what you will do is you will first start from the carry flag. Okay, or you can start from the A0 bit also if you want. You will shift the A0 bit to carry, carry bit to A7, A7 to A6, A6 to A5, like that. So see here in the example I have taken A81 and carry as 0. So the instruction that I have assumed is RAR. Before execution you will write the data that I have assumed, that is 0, and 81 which is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 4 times 0 0 0 0 1 for 1. After execution what you will do is, first you will shift the A0 bit, that is 1. In the A0 bit before execution we have 1 which got shifted to carry, so carry became 1 now. Then the carry bit you will shift to A7, so hence it will be 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So my answer which I got here is 4 0, correct. 0 1 0 0 which is 4, and then 4 times 0 which is 0, and the carry flag which I got here is 1. So this was the RAR instruction. It is very easy, but you need to practice. You can take any other data and keep on practicing these 4 rotate instructions very well. Keep on practicing 4-5 times these rotate instructions. Take some other data every time and see, check your answer, what you're getting. Okay, so these were the 4 rotate instructions which are very, very important, and you need to know all of these 4 rotate instructions very well. Okay, so thank you students. In the next video we'll continue with the same logical group. Only few instructions are left, so in the next video we'll be completing with the logical group. Okay, so thank you.